Record it and insert it into my lanyard to demonstrate picky but used for a safety audit. I want to walk you through several computer cabling situation that may pose some risk, and use it as an illustration to what a computer safety will be. This is particularly AI video recognition for RVI, remote video inspection, fire hazard, compliance audit, demo.
306. Get on to 315.
So we're going to walk around here just to demonstrate it for a couple of seconds, and all I want you to do is just hold this 360 camera and shoot from your glasses. I'm not going to put the cable because it will last only 1 minute, the whole thing, but I want to make sure that it works. So we will start recording right now. Let you wear it. And you just hold this camera. Just give me your phone so I can shoot the...
Oh, you want the phone?
Yeah.
You want PixieBot, or what do you want to do?
Yeah, so we're going to demonstrate PixieBot used for
everything.
Used for surveillance.
It's up in the second row. You see PixieBot?
Of video surveillance. Up in the second row, you can see it here. You click on it one time.
And you need video.
And then you need the video recording. We're going to walk around and demonstrate 1 minute of recording. You see the counter is 57 seconds.
Right.
So this is an example of too congested cable situation with multiple open computers. And here you can see some more daisy-chained, multiple power supplies on top of each other, routers, and there are some more routers in the background.
What do you have on the
And as we continue,
What do you have on the floor?
it's very crowded, and on the floor, wooden floor that is a fire hazard, and this very close to the ceiling
Our woods.
are woods and sponges that are also inflammable. And here you can see another computer and a bunch of cables underneath. Come here. Bunch of cables underneath, concentration of hard drives and various other material
Up there?
also up there. And here also you see the power supplies
It's overloaded.
are stacked in multiple
Overloaded.
power strip on top of each other.
And here. And what about the corner there? Oh,
That's
it's
it.
over. Okay. All right. So can I
Just,
take a-
this is of recording. You see the counter is
Here.
57
Is it
seconds.
good?
Hold it just for a So second this like is an this. example of too congested cable situation with multiple open computers. And here you can see some We want to thank the beauty very much for having done such a multiple power beautiful supplies job. on top of each other, routers, and there are some...
This is
Thank
quite a
you.
sight. We're looking at a desk absolutely cluttered with electronics and cables.
Okay.
There's a silver Dell laptop visible, along with a black keyboard and multiple open computers, creating a web of tangled cables in black and yellow. The desk is overflowing with items, including a Seagate expansion
Okay, I'll
box
see you.
and various electronic
Right, I'll bring you your phone
As
in
we
a
move
minute.
around, we see a dizzying array of daisy-chained power supplies and routers.
Go
all
to your
piled on
computer
top of
to
each other.
start.
Looking up, we notice even more daisy-chained power supplies. The floor beneath is wooden, and it appears that the setup is close to the ceiling, making it a potential fire hazard. There's a computer screen displaying some data, along with even more cables and hard drives tucked away underneath. As we pan, we see stacked power strips, a clear bottle, and even a container of orange juice amidst the chaos.
Just come here for a second to mail it. So to mail it, I have to click this button, right?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
So I click this button, and
Go
now
up.
I want to scroll up
Yeah. No. Yeah. All the way to the
all
end.
the way to the button,
And then share.
and then share.
And then
share
the
video.
Right. And then here.
Share video with ARush,
Right. And then send.
and then send. And now we want to repeat for the description.
No, this.
We want to do another share.
Okay.
This time share description.
Okay.
And repeat the same thing to ARush.
Okay.
We want to
Send.
Go up to send.
And that's it.
And that's it. And we want to thank Dr. S. Rush,
Beautiful. Let's go.
the beauty. Thank you very much and have a good day. As now I'm going to demonstrate bringing it down from the server to the local device. So now I want to download it to the local device, and I'm going to stop the beamer so it's not so overwhelming. We are going to the local device by opening the client. So I'm going to click now on the client and demonstrate how to download it to the local device. I'm looking for Piggybot. Here is the example. Look for the inbox and refresh the inbox. Let's make sure that I got the correct user here. What user is that? Dr. S. Rush, okay. And I want to reload to see how long it takes from the time that we send it out. Here is PixieBot. The one to open and download is the second one or the first one. Let's look at the first one first and copy it from here to my notepad. Oops. Copy. And paste. So I'll make a little mark here. And we'll start with open paren. And then paste the content of the email. And then close paren. And I'll color it gray for now, so it stands out from the rest of the stuff. Here it is, color it gray. And here is the detail of the email. We can use also AI to summarize it and narrate it. S. Rush describes cluttered desk with hazard and so on. I don't see where the speaker is, but we can copy the Gemini summary also and insert it into the note here. Paste. May turn it to another color. Gemini will make that blue. Okay, now back to the email, and the second one is the one that has a compressed file. Download the compressed file. You can also download it from here. Zip extractor, cloud convert, video player for Google Drive. We can also look at the download subfolder. Downloads, and here it is. The latest and greatest VLC. Double click it to play it back. Minute of recording, you see the counter is 57 seconds. So this is an example of too congested cable situation with multiple open computers. And here you can see some more daisy-chained, multiple power supplies on top of each other, routers, and there are some more routers in the background. And as we continue,
What do you have on the floor?
it's very crowded, and on the floor, wooden floor that is a fire hazard, and this very close to the ceiling, woods and sponges that are also inflammable. And here you can see another computer and a bunch of cables underneath. Come here. Bunch of cables underneath. Concentration of hard drives and various other material. Also up there. And here also you see the power supplies are stacked in multiple power strip. Okay, so that was a description of what was happening. Now I want to exit this VLC media, quit, and go back to the original. Opening a new window. Okay. So basically we saw it already, downloaded it, and now we can stop recording and save it. So we're going to start with Loom. This was a total of 12 minutes. Stop the Loom. Copy. Edit to my notes. Control V. Save. Then I want to add the comments. So I'm going to select all. And then Control C to, first of all, I want to test the quality of the playback. I want to add to it bizarre problem step recorder. I stopped the playback because it sounds perfectly good. I added comments and add the summary. And add tags. Okay, the first tag is site, Google, in, remote, spline, lanyard, intelligence, inspection, artificial. That's it. We have 10 hyperlinks or 10 tags. And now we're going to refresh problem step recorder and add it to the collection of files. So I'm going to go to the top of my file here. Make some space. I want to share, link, copied. Save. And the topic is Pixie. We will attach it to the Pixie bot and the video file name. So our topic will become similar to the previous topic. I have to find the previous topic in my notepad maybe. Let's open my notepad. Maybe I have a file name there. Here it is PixieBot, hung up. Copy to the clipboard. And then we will paste it again here. We'll combine the PixieBot, the previous document of PixieBot, with the current document. So I want to add to that the current video file, which I'm going to retrieve from the video subfolder and paste it into the new file name. For that purpose, I'm going to navigate to the video subfolder, this computer, go to the bottom to find the current video with 0 bytes, which is what I'm recording as we speak. Copy it with Control-C to the clipboard buffer, and then paste it in my notes. Edit, paste. Then combine it with the previous video file. Control-V and space. And first we will add it to the previous file as a text file, but I want to change the time. It's today, Wednesday, but the time now is 3:22 p.m. So I started at 10 in the morning, and now it is 3:23 p.m. And we're going to save it. Instead of hung up and termite and all of that, it will be RVI inspection, but rather the fire audit, fire safety audit. Fire safety audit plus our RVI inspection. Remote video inspection. Edit, copy, file, save as, paste, and save. And then repeat the same thing, but this time we're going to do it. First of all, paste the same file, the text file. Then we're going to create another one. This one is going to be RTF. So it will be sub C or D. Make it D. Sub D. The time now is delete 3:23 p.m., but it's not a text folder, it's a RTF folder. RTF, rich text format, RTF. Rich text format, okay, very good. Now copy to the clipboard buffer, copy, file, save as. I want to edit at the end here so it contains also the search from before. Too many. So we'll remove the garage. It is no longer relevant. PixieBot is good. And then power line, overload with too many power strips. And now we got the complete file name, which can be going to first the log subfolder and then the file subfolder. Let's send it first to the log subfolder, copy and save, and then paste it in the notes. Then we can save it also in the file subfolder. Have a second copy and take the file subfolder here and copy it and save it there. Control V. Save as. Paste and save. Okay. Now edit as a comment to Psar. Okay. I'm going to stop Psar. Stop Psar and save Psar. We'll copy the Psar path. And this is going to be a zip type of file. So I'm going to put in a period ZP. Right now, copy to the clipboard buffer, save, and then review it. Now click Review Additional Details and scroll up to see that that was 156 steps. As we start a new one, I add a comment with the old one, paste, and okay, and put it in my notes again. Paste it in the Word pad first, and then in the edit, paste in the notepad, file, save. And then I want to strip the media. Strip the media and create another folder for the media, which we will do right here. So copy it again and paste it again. Then we are going to cut everything but the current information. Like let me also make it a little lower here so I don't confuse everything with that. Machine is a bit overloaded. The current time is 3:23 p.m. So it is Wednesday, 3:23 p.m. And the main topic here is PixieBot. Going back to the point in time, PixieBot powerline overload. Powerline overload. That's enough. Power line overload. So this is going to be the subfolder name for the media. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Then we will open the File Explorer. Navigate to the expansion. Scroll down to 360. Scroll down to the very bottom and create a new subfolder with today's topic. New folder, paste the name, and then copy to the clipboard buffer. Right mouse click, copy, and now scroll down to the other devices that I was using to record this event, which include Galaxy, Galaxy Black or purple. Let's put it in black. Right mouse click and paste with Explorer. Then scroll down to purple. Right mouse click, paste with Explorer. And finally to the eye view. When things open here, you cannot see what is what. Open eye view and paste it into eye view. Paste with Explorer. And now that I finished all of that, I want to strip the media out of the eye view glasses and connect them to the power supply. So I'm going to take out the micro SD card as I'm connecting the goggles to the power supply via USB-C cable to recharge the internal battery. Then insert it into my adapter, my SD card reader adapter, and then into the computer. Now I want to navigate, see whether the computer can see it, and if it can, I'm going to strip the data out of it and into the hard drive. So I'm going to go to SDXC sub I, DCIM, movie, take the one clip, cut, and paste this one clip into my hard drive, which we will open next. File Explorer, scroll down to expansion drive G, and within it to videos. Within videos, scroll down to iView. Within iView, the today's date and time, 49D, right mouse click and paste with Explorer. So now it's already pasted with Explorer. I'm going to copy it and go to my notepad. And we're going to segregate it with the right slash, the file name to be uploaded, edit, paste, right mouse click, and close it with a left slash. I meant to do the opposite slash, but I didn't, so backspace, no, backslash, not forward slash, that's my baby. And then file, save. Then I want to take out my phone and strip the phone. I want to stop the phone recording.